don't show him that yet.
We'll stand over here.
Here? 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 How about over here? Dude, out here. All right, quit looking at my Maverick. It's not gonna happen. So what we have here, ladies and gentlemen, is a 1989 Chevy Silverado OBS.
What's OBS?
Old Big Susie. Old Best Chevy? I doubt it. Old Beat Up Chevy. It's more like it. Old Butts Stink. Old Bob Senior. Old Bob Sucks. That's the one. Odd, big, who cares? Old body style. So this truck's been back halved, built back in the day, 90s probably. It's got big meats under the back. Dad's son project from back then. The interior's all finished up. It's been painted, everything's shaved. You can tell it's kind of dated, but it looks pretty good. It's cool. But check this out. Dun, dun, dun. Look at that baby. Now, you guys at home, you know what you're looking at. You run down to your local Cabela's, your Bass Pro Shop, you go over into the boat section and you can pick one of these up right here to stop your little aluminum boat in a hurry. They call that a boat anchor. But not really, she makes pretty big power. So this thing is a blown big block, 454, got dual carbs on it. And when you can get it running, it sounds pretty rowdy, but that's the problem. So let's see if we can get her fired up. You remember when I told you guys that this was a boat anchor? Well, those two right there, they're definitely boat anchors. But in all reality, I think the accelerator pumps aren't working, so it's not squirting any fuel in it as we're hitting the pedal. So I think that's what's going on with it, while they were having trouble getting it started. I know it was a big problem for them, so give it a little squirt of fired up sauce. You're not scared, are you? I can see him shaking in his boots. They cut a big hole in the hood. See, it won't run. It won't even stay running. That's why we're putting an LSX in it, 454 fuel injection. Let me give Bob more of the starter fluid. Gotta love the smell of race fuel. Guys, it wasn't long ago I was telling you about Bob and the smoking. Surprised he hasn't sucked one down his throat yet. Now, ladies and gentlemen, 1989, this was everyday driver. Imagine driving this every day. Going to get your groceries? Yeah, let's go down the highway. Why not? We got a quarter tank of fuel. That's I would say a burnout's worth. I bet the kids on that bus would get a kick out of this. Well, it was empty. That would have been disappointing. Wonder if that Corvette, well, look, he's turning. Wonder if he wants some. Uh-oh, we lost a gasket on the carburetor. All right, good, it stopped. I was worried about that. You know, it actually rides a little better than I thought it would. Should we ask her if she wants to race? The freaking traffic. Shouldn't plan to go anywhere around here on a Friday. Or if there's no easing into it, let's see what we can do. Oh, there's that vet. Oh, we got a death wobble. Okay, yep. That does it in for me. Full rebuild, tear it down. All right, she's pretty cool. She gets a little sketchy when you get up to speed, but here's our plan with this truck. Now, this thing's had a ton of money thrown at it over the years, and it's really cool. It's a little bit outdated, but you know, it's not a big deal. It's still a badass OBS truck. But we're about to try to build one of the baddest OBSs on the planet. That is literally the goal, the baddest one. We've got a roadster shop chassis coming right now that they've just released for the new OBS, so we're gonna lay rockers with this thing. We're going through colors right now. We're gonna do super bright colors. We're gonna do a lot of metal mods. We've got an LSX 454. We're gonna pro charge it. We're gonna do a ton of one-off stuff, one-off dash. Eric Brockmeyer is working on a rendering right now, so it's gonna be really cool. We're gonna try to do one-off grill, bumpers, you name it. It's gonna be bad. We're about to start teardown on it right now. So, one little last tribute to this baby. We're gonna see how bad she'll smoke those big meats.